Today my dad's trying to teach me how to make volcanoes. So I have all of these 3 ingredients in cups. How much of this am I supposed to add per container?
I would put 1 whole thing per container.
Ew. And now I'm adding
What's in the cup?
Apple cider vinegar. And then
Baking powder.
Mm. This is the salt reaction.
Pretty boring. Let's try the next.
Here's baking soda. I've actually heard about baking soda volcanoes on TV. I'm guessing I should stop.
Now pour the rest.
Oh, there is a good chemical reaction.
I'm gonna use the
You
last.
see how that makes a volcano?
You've got to pour out all of it.
Nora added the powders first.
Dad, tomorrow can I make a baking soda volcano?
I don't know.
And here's the baking powder. Slowly but steadily.
So which one had the biggest reaction?
Baking soda.
Now, what happens if you were to take that spoon there and stir the salt? Would anything happen if you were to stir anything up?
I honestly don't know. Nope.
No, it looks like the salt actually, despite being mildly basic, is pretty stable. We've reacted all the baking soda we could. How would you guys like to drink soda made out of this stuff? How about there? You should see if it... Now here's the part where we drink it. Or not. Well, so why didn't that happen that time?
I'm not sure, but I think there's enough vinegar in it that it kind of loses the reaction.
That too much of the baking soda, you had enough vinegar to mix with the baking soda
Yeah.
in the first pour, and then any more than that was on top of it. It
Now
didn't
we're
react.
adding more baking soda. Step aside, step aside. This isn't gonna be good.
Dad? Dad?
Oh crap.
So for everybody's reference, we are now rated PG. There we go. So now if you were to smell the baking soda one, would it smell more vinegary still?
I'll take that as yes.
Step aside.
How about compared to the other two? Which one smells the most vinegary?
That one.
Are you sure?
Well, we put 2
Well,
cups of
step
vinegar in
aside.
it. Put 3 scoops. Wow.
Wait.
Now we're just kind of mixing and matching here. I think so is the end of our experiment. Bye, YouTubers.
Bye-bye.
That one.